Now, AMC stock had a very difficult day today. It tried to make its way back above $18 per share. It was unable to do it, and I know the frustration is out there. Guys, I want to take a look at some of the trends.google.com statistics about AMC stock right now because it is very obvious. A lot of the attention, a lot of the eyes, a lot of the, excitement surrounding AMC is definitely dwindling down. Now, does that change anything about a short squeeze? It doesn't change the short squeeze numbers, but I'm not going to lie to you. It could have an effect on the, what's the best word to use? Like the veracity or the height of the squeeze potential when it comes to the shorts covering their shares. So I do want to talk about this, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks, any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto, and then you get crypto exclusive exchanges down there as well. But if you look at Google Trends or Google Analytics, trends.google.com, you can see AMC stock was the second most searched for news term in all of 2021. That is incredible. The only other thing that outpaced AMC was Mega Millions, the lottery here in the United States. And in both of them, the top, I believe, 3 topics, 4 was GameStop, and the third one was, stimulus check. Stimulus check was the third most searched for. So you've got these 4 news terms. What do they all have in common? Life-changing money. Mega Millions, potential stimulus checks. I know a lot of people were interested in universal income for a while. You've got AMC providing life-changing financial freedom, and GameStop as well in the same idea there. Being able to squeeze, being able to go up in price, and really returning great returns on investors' accounts. Now, AMC back in June, I'm gonna look over here so I can get these numbers right. Back at the beginning of June, last week of May into June in 2021, AMC peaked at a level of 100. This is when AMC ran from $12 to $70-some per share, and everybody wanted to know what was going on. The world was looking in. Is this the squeeze that these kids have been talking about an AMC stock for so long now? And since then, along with the price, it has been coming down. Guys, and it pains me to admit, but AMC is now, the trend analytics are now at a level of 1. This means that there is 1%, basically nobody is out searching for what's going on with AMC stock right now. It has fallen all the way down to a level of 1. Now, I will say that search volume is very heavily correlated with price, and price is very heavily correlated with search volume. So I absolutely expect, and just for reference, okay, we are at a higher price right now than we were back in May. AMC is trading around $17. May of 2021, AMC was trading around $12 per share, testing that $14.50 level. But back in May, AMC's search volume was a level of 9. Okay, so we are still drastically lower than where we were before we ran up in May, in June. But with a level of 1, it is obvious that a lot of people either fell off. There are so many people that are left uninterested, or the price has just been so devastating that they aren't searching for what's going on in AMC stock anymore. Now, this could absolutely, if AMC does squeeze anytime soon, I guarantee this number shoots way back up. But if these people are gone and gone for good, it's going to be more difficult for AMC stock to reach higher prices during the squeeze. And let me explain why. Okay, this is not in any way bearish, it's just logical. if we lose the FOMO buyers, if we don't have these buyers coming in that are excited about AMC stock moving higher, that are adding to the demand, that are buying those shares up, we absolutely might see a lower price target. If we have people leaving AMC stock because they are discouraged with the price, if they are selling, if they are walking away, if they are saying, I've had enough, I cannot handle anymore, we would absolutely not be able to reach as high of a price during the squeeze. If we continue to trend even lower from here and have roughly zero search volume on AMC stock, it's going to be difficult in order to see extremely high prices during the squeeze. Now, this does not in any way mean that AMC will not squeeze, okay? Let me reiterate why. AMC's short interest at roughly 20%, 100 plus million short shares that are outstanding, they will be covered. They have to be covered. The shorts are obligated to buy those shares back because they borrowed them. And they have every intention and every obligation to buy those shares and return them to the lender. Now, if they go to do this and they buy those shares up, and that increase in demand from covering those shorts, that's the short squeeze, right? Increasing demand to cover those short shares is the short squeeze. Now, how high it squeezes is going to be up to how long people are willing to hold out. And like I say, if all eyes are off AMC, if nobody's looking at it, and demand is met by supply, meaning if they go to cover, demand increases, and the supply of willing sellers increases alongside of it, we can't expect a super high price. But if those of us that are still here, if the AMC stock apes are still here and still willing to hold, like they say, no matter what, then yes, the price still rises. Guys, it may be more difficult. It may be more discouraging. It may be harder to reach those higher prices, but if you're not cut out for a short squeeze, we won't see those higher levels. You have to make a commitment to yourself right now that you are willing, that you are able, and you are wanting to hold out as long as possible until these short shares not only cover, but at the point that they do go to cover, we are unwilling to sell them the shares back so that we see these higher and higher and higher prices that we have been waiting for over a year now. I know it's tough. I know it's hard. I know it is. I feel it. I feel it with red day after red day after red day, but I am not leaving, and I absolutely hope that you are not leaving either. Let me know in the comments below kind of what you guys are thinking right now about AMC, about the short squeeze, and about the fact that the search volume is at a level of 1 when it was at a level of 100 less than a year ago. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will buy at SheminiCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.